In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your site from DigitalOcean to WP Engine in 2025 with a clear step-by-step guide. So let's dive right in and make this migration process as smooth as possible. First off, you'll want to start by logging into your DigitalOcean server. Once inside, the most important thing is to create a full backup of your WordPress site. This step is absolutely crucial because it ensures that all your current site data, configurations, and files are securely saved. Having a backup gives you peace of mind knowing that you have a fallback option just in case anything goes awry during the migration process. Next, you'll need to download all essential WordPress files. This includes the WP content, WP admin, and WP includes directories, as well as your WP config PHP file. You can use a secure file transfer protocol (SFTP) client for this task. Downloading these files onto your local machine is an essential step as it forms the structural foundation of your WordPress site on the new server. Once you've downloaded your files, you'll need to export your database. This can be done using myadmin or the MySQL dump command. Your WordPress database contains all the content of your site, posts, pages, settings, and more. Export it as an .sql file so you can easily import it later into WP Engine. Now that you have everything backed up from DigitalOcean, it's time to switch gears and log into your WP Engine dashboard. After logging in, select your chosen environment where you'll be uploading your site. WP Engine makes this process quite intuitive, so navigate through until you find your environment. Following this, it's time to upload your WordPress files to WP Engine using SFTP. WP Engine provides you with their own SFTP login credentials, allowing you to securely transfer files. In the WP Engine panel, navigate to Users and SFTP to create or copy an SFTP user. With the credentials in hand, you can connect via a preferred SFTP client like FileZilla, CyberDuck, or WinSCP. Once connected, upload all your WordPress files to the root directory of your site on WP Engine. This step is vital as it gets your site structure in place. With your files in place, it's time to import the database. Go to myadmin in your WP Engine portal, select your database, proceed to import, and upload your .sql file. Before you finalize the setup, update your WP config PHP file with the new database